Okay, so I extended the chain 3,040 millimeters. Then I hooked it up here on the third link. I retracted it 5 degrees, so now it's sitting like that. And I'm just going to show you how it throws the chain. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click pull chain tight and measure. And now here we go. You'll see it throw the chain over here. So what appears to be happening is under load, this thing turns at an angle. So it pivots around this side and pulls this end back. So I think it's because these are slots instead of holes. I think you need holes on this bracket instead of slots. In fact, I think there's a better design for this bracket, which would be a cap that goes over the 2x4 and sits on there tightly. You could cinch it up with a wedge. So maybe I will design that someday.